How to collaborate on TikTok with the Duet feature. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Duet feature to collaborate with someone on TikTok. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you want to head over to your TikTok application. And then from there, you can just go ahead and tap on the share icon at the bottom right. And from there, as you can see here, the duet option is currently disabled for this video by the creator. But if the creator of the video has enabled the duet feature, you can find something like this right over here. Tap on duet. Now you can use the left and right option to find the duet feature. You could do top to bottom, or you could also do a picture-in-picture kind of thing. You could only do your face if you want as well, or you could add a picture right besides it. So if I tap on the gallery icon, here you can add different kind of filters. And then once you are ready, you can unmute your mic and then you can start recording and post it. That's it, basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.